Hello students, this is the third part of 4.1 History of Novel. So open your books, page number 174. In this first row, from this second paragraph, we are going to start today. Page number 174. Now listen carefully. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan, 1678, and Oroonoco by Aphra Behn in 1688 initiate. What is the meaning of initiate? Look at the board. Initiated, it means started. Initiated the plenteous, see the meaning of this word? Plenteous, it means abundant. It means another meaning is many. Plenteous and colorful tradition. Meaning of this word tradition. There are many different kind of meaning, but according to this lesson, this topic, what is the meaning of tradition? I am giving you here. Tradition, it means a literary method or style followed by other writers. So any literary style, any literary method, if other writers follow, so that is called tradition, literary tradition. Of English novel was followed by Daniel Defoe, Robinson Crusoe, Moll, Flanders, and Jonathan Swift, Gulliver's Travels, a famous satire. What is the meaning of satire? See here. It means piece of writing ridiculing someone. So what is the meaning of ridicule? Ridiculing, it means making humor to expose someone. So here we are getting information about few writers who wrote novel, few writers who followed tradition of these kind of novels. The first writer's name is John Bunyan. He wrote a very famous novel, and the name of that novel is The Pilgrim's Progress. It was written by John Bunyan in 1678. After that, another famous novelist, Aphra Behn, wrote a very famous novel, Oroonoko, which was written in 1688. And these two famous novelists, John Bunyan and Aphra Behn, initiated, it means started, plenteous, many, abundant and colorful tradition of English novel. These two novelists, John Bunyan and Aphra Behn, started the tradition of many kinds of novels, very different kinds of novels, very colorful novels. They started history of novel with different kinds of tradition, with different kinds of color. And was followed by Daniel Defoe, Robinson's Crusoe, Moll, Flanders, and Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels, a famous satire. And after that, many novelists followed them, whom John Bunyan and Aphra Behn, these two famous novelists, other upcoming novelists followed these two great novelists. So after that, Daniel Defoe wrote a very famous novel, Robinson Crusoe and Moll Flanders. Then Jonathan Swift, he also followed John Bunyan and Aphra Behn and wrote a novel which was Gulliver's Travel. It was a very famous satire. Satire, it means in that novel, the novelist, the writer of that novel, present few ridiculous, humorous things to expose something bad, evil in the society, or something bad, evil in the human being, to expose, to make clear to everyone. Other major novelists of the 18th century are Samuel Richardson, Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, and Clarissa, both epistolary. Epistolary? What is the meaning of epistolary? Look at here. It means denoting literary works in the form of letters. So, in 18th century, there are other major men novelists also, such as Samuel Richardson, who wrote many novels, and the famous novels are given here: Pamela, Virtue Rewarded, and Clarissa. These two novels, Pamela or Virtue Rewarded and Clarissa, these two novels based on epistolary. It means these two novels were written in the form of letter. These two novels written in the form of letter. Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, and Tobias Smollett. and after that there are many other novelist, writer, major writer of the 18th century. Their names are given here: Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, and Dubois Smollett. The tradition was enriched. See the meaning of this word, enriched? Enriched, it means improve the quality or value. The tradition was enriched by many other stalwart, it means hard working. Stalwart novelists such as Charles Dickinson, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and A.G. Wells. So here we are getting information about many writers who followed the literary tradition, the literary method of these kind of novels, literary style. These writers followed and enriched. Enriched, it means they improve the quality of these novels, they improve the value of these kind of novels. So what is the name of those novelists? Here are given name of those novelists: Charles Dickinson, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and A.G. Wells. The 20th century is marked by it means sign, symbol, or make famous. The 20th century is marked by the modern topics and innovative styles. Innovative, it means to introduce new things. Innovative style and techniques and widened, it means make or become wide or broad. Widened angles of views by the novelists like E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, and Anthony Burgess. So here we are getting information about the writers who made the 20th century very famous by their writing, very famous novel. These writers made 20th century very famous, very symbolic by their writing. And below there is given some name of those major novelists, major writers. They used some innovative style, new style they used in their novels, in their writing, and made the 20th century very famous for novels. They widened the circumference See the meaning of this word. This side I will give you meaning of that word. Let me first clean this side. After that I will give you. Wait a minute. So what is that word? Circumference. It means boundary or circle. But we are getting this meaning here, boundary. They widened the circumference of the genre. Genre, it means style or category. By writing political, social, psychological and other modern issues in their novels. So, these great novelists of 20th century, they make widened, broad the circumference, the boundary of novels by writing or adding different kinds of topics in their novel. The topics such as political topics, social topics, psychological topics and other modern issues they used in their novels. They wrote novels on these topics. There are immigrant. Immigrant, it means from foreign country. From foreign country. There are immigrant authors like Salman Rushdie from India, V.S. Naipaul from Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro from Japan and many others. So here are given information of other writers who wrote very famous novels in 20th century and gave their share to make the 20th century very famous for novels. And these novelists are which are from foreign countries. Those writers are not from European side or from England or Spanish or from that area. They are from different part of the world. They are from the different country in the world. So the names are Salman Rushdie from India. He was a foreign writer who wrote novels and made 20th century very famous. V.S. Naipaul from Trinidad and Kazuo Ishiguro from Japan and many other writers. So in this way, today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.